Q, U, E, N. Queen.
Queen. Good job.
A-T, hat.
Good job. Okay, show me more.
Mice. That's a sun. R-A-T, rat.
Rat. Good job. Okay, where's more?
Here's the sun spell. That's big. S-U-N. Sun.
Good. Yippee. Show me more. You got a lot more.
P-I-G. Pig. That's key. Key. B. Oh no, it's
U.
U-S. Bus.
Good job.
This one spells key. Key.
Mm-hmm.
Key.
Yep. Spell it.
K-E-Y. Key.
Good job. Okay, there's more.
A ducky and a bathtub. That's like me.
Just like you.
That's a kitty cat. I want that black kitty cat.
Okay, I want you to read everything to me.
T.
So I'll keep everything in your book. Okay?
U. B. Ducky swimming at a bathtub.
Good job.
A nest full of eggs.
Okay.
A nest full
Just do
of
it
eggs.
Just do it one by one, Hannah. Don't be hurry. Finish the first thing that you got there.
C. A. T. Kitty cat.
Kitty cat. Good job.
Hey, Mommy, I got both the same.
Yeah.
They're both the same.
Well, they're different. Look at it.
Mommy, they're both the same.
Yeah, they're not the same, but they're different. This one is start with C. This is cat. So that's start with
I
what?
want a dog.
Can you
And a
spell
cat.
it first then?
D. O. G. Dog.
Good job.
Almost done.
Almost done.
N. E. F. T. Eggs and a nest.
Oh, egg in a nest. That's a nest, Hannah.
Yes.
Okay, keep going.
I want to see this. This one's a nest for an egg.
Yes. Okay, keep going.
A wolf. Hey, what is that doing there? Behind my foot.
Are you done reading it? Okay, it's 9 o'clock. After you're doing that, we have to go to bed.
A. Hey, they said jumping A, jumping A, jumping A, jump, 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 jump.
Jesus, that's a jar.
J is for jar.
Jar, yeah.
A.
Remember, you can put cookies,
Where's
brownies in the jar. Remember?
our jar though?
It's like downstairs. Remember?
Where's our jar downstairs?
Yeah, keep going so we can go to bed.
A wolf.
I can put this in your album.
Ugly wolf. Happy wolf.
Okay, do it.
I can't remember that.
You remember? Hannah, don't throw your things away. I told you not to. Come on, do it again. You remember this.
Oh, no, that.
Okay, you start. F, right there. I want you to start this one. That's one of your favorite before.
I don't like it anymore.
Okay, try it again. Are you tired?
Else?
Okay, do the different one then. Okay.
Mommy's whip!
Oh, Mommy's
whip!
Yeah, can you spell it then?
L I P S. Whip for Mommy!
Good job.
That's one of my favorite. I like whips for Mommy.
Oh, just like Mommy?
O.
Okay.
O. W.
Yeah.
That's a big W, no?
Yes.
That's a big W.
Yes.
A. L. Owl.
Owl.
They said, ahoo, 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 ahoo.
That's right.
Hey, cleaning up. H.
Okay. M for?
Hey, I hear an owl.
Yeah.
I didn't hear an owl.
Okay, start. What is that? M for?
M. Oh, I want to ride a goat and a zebra and a goat.
Okay, I want you to spell that
I
one.
want to go on a horsey too, and I'll say, giddy up, horsey, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
Well, you're not done reading it for Mommy. I want you to do that first. Okay, do it that way. The one that you're holding right now. Okay?
Holding this?
Yeah, read that. Please. Hannah, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna get
Are you tired? We're gonna go to bed now?
tired of this.
I got one of my favorite there.
Where?
Where's more? Right here. What is this?
Ice!
Yeah, spell that.
I can remember ice. It says ice.
Oh, I'm gonna give that to Ning Ning. She'll read that.
No,
Everything.
no, she can't.
Okay, read this one then. This one. I want you to read everything and then we'll go to bed. Before you go to bed. And grab my zebra. I want you to spell my zebra too. Okay. Okay, now read it.
Z.